Fish-Margoliouth method is another method. It does not assume molecular clock hypothesis, and that is the equal mutation rates, but it assumes the additivity, that is those branch lengths, they can be added up together. So the sequences are combined in the groups of 3, and then we define the branches of the predicted trees and we calculate their branch lengths. So here we can do some algebra. So what we do over here is we want to calculate the distance between A and C. We define it with the small letter c. Distance between A to B is A plus B, and that is equal to 22. In this matrix we see that A and B are at a distance of 22. We can have the contribution from A and B on both sides. So in this way we can have a small letter A plus B, that is the branches which are connecting A and B with one another. So their contribution in total is equal to 22. So our equation becomes A plus B is equal to 22, which is our equation number 1. Then we have the distance from A to C, which is A plus C, and that is equal to 39. So that becomes our equation number 2. Then we have the distance from B to C, which is B plus C is equal to 41. So that's our equation number 3. We play with these equations. So for instance, we subtract this 3 from 2 and we can get A minus B is equal to minus 2. Now we take this equation, which is our equation number 4, and if we add 4 and 1, we can come up with 2A is equal to 20, and where we find that A is equal to 10. So we found A. Now we can plug in into any of these equations, 1 and 2, this value of A. We can come up with the value of B is equal to 12, whereas the value of C is equal to 29. So we take all these branch lengths or these numbers, and we can come up with a tree where we can have A connected with B through an internal node and with C also. So this small letter A is the branch length from this internal node to this A, which is equal to 10, B goes to 12, and C goes to 29. In this, since we are also having assumptions of additivity, the distance between A to C is 10 plus 29, that is equal to 39. Same way A to B are at a distance of 10 plus 12, 22, and B and C have a distance of 41. But there is one weakness, guys, as far as this method is concerned. It's good with short branches, but if the branch lengths are longer, then it has an issue of problems with its reliability. So in the end, we see that this method is Fish-Margoliouth is using the distance matrix. It's not assuming the molecular clock hypothesis, but it's assuming the additivity, and it's doing some algebraic manipulations.